What if the smartest person in the room isn't the loudest or the most obvious? Intelligence doesn't always look the way we expect. Today, we're going to talk about 5 signs of a secretly intelligent person, traits you might miss if you're not paying attention. Number 1, they ask big questions. You'll often find secretly intelligent people questioning the deeper meaning of things, whether it's the universe, human behavior, or even day-to-day interactions. They don't settle for simple answers because their curiosity runs deep. Number 2, they're comfortable with silence. While most people rush to fill the gaps in conversation, secretly intelligent people use silence to process and think. They understand that not every moment needs to be filled with words. Number 3, they can adapt quickly. Secretly intelligent people are flexible thinkers. Whether it's a sudden change at work or a shift in a conversation, they adjust effortlessly, using their mental agility to stay one step ahead. Number 4, they love learning. It's not about getting degrees or certifications. It's about the joy of understanding something new. Secretly intelligent people are constantly feeding their minds, whether it's through books, podcasts, or hands-on experiences. Number 5, they see connections others miss. Secretly intelligent people have a knack for connecting the dots. They can take to unrelated ideas and link them in a way that makes perfect sense, often leading to surprising insights. So, next time you're with someone who's quietly observing or asking questions that make you think, take a closer look. They just might be one of the most intelligent people you've ever met, hidden in plain sight.